So for once you have connected, the other end you have to connect it to a pre-filter. Okay, so this is the pre-filter. You will see pre-filter 1 and 2. So this side goes to pre-filter 1. So what you do is, there's a hole here, you just push it in like that. Make sure it's tight and you just try pulling it out, it shouldn't be able to come out. If at any point in the installation you have made a mistake and you want to actually take it out, what you do is, you can see there's a small ring here. You will have to push in the ring and then pull out the tube at the same time, both at the same time. I repeat, you push it in while pulling out the tube. I'll show you how it's done now. So you just push it in and you can actually slowly pull out the tube. It will be easier if you use two hands like this. So if it's inside, use one hand to push the ring in and the other hand to pull the tube out. Like that.